Hey guys, so I just launched my launched Threadwave 1.0.3 version, which is bug fix and also onboarding flow improvements. This basically all those features are um, I was getting a lot of bug reports from current users, so I decided to take these few days to just really fixing the bugs, and also at the same time, I have to DMs. I have to run DMs, also run replies. Threadwave is really a very helpful tool. I can uh, like most of the tweets, I don't know how to reply. I just click generate reply, and the thread with Copilot just does a really good job to give me a first draft, so I can just um take a look and see where should I change or not. Mainly just I just cut some, like remove some text from the reply and add a little bit of text on my own, like to add some salt on the top, and other than that, it's pretty good. So the app runs smoothly right now. The bug was really just fixing the onboarding flow issue, because I was getting a lot of bug report, like saying that, oh, so the onboarding flow somehow is broken in the middle, or the onboarding views doesn't get destroyed. And also there are some execution issues regarding timeouts, so I've been fixing that. And in addition, there are some compatible issues as well. So when you are dealing with client apps like me, I'm building a client app that install and run in your local Mac OS, and also or run your Windows platform. This creates a lot of complexity, even when I use Electrons to build the app. But luckily we got everything sorted, because I use Cloud Code to do it. I'm right now, it just I count days to pushing updates. Without Cloud Code or without other codex agent, I probably need to count month or count weeks to push any updates. Um, Other than that, I want to talk about my marketing goals. So my marketing went pretty, not not good, not bad, but like average. I'm okay with the results. Still keep going. So right now we got 23 signups, and also I got 6 onboardings. One of the users paid for the subscription, which is good. I got the first dollar from the product. That's a very strong signal. Uh, Although I have like a 30-day free trial. And during the process, I've been getting a lot of feedbacks, and because I've been talking to each users that have onboarded to my platform. So and right now I've been doing some experimental features, and I've been secretly like releasing those experimental features to individual users, like in private, because I want them to test it first, and if they are uh, good with the results, I might run few tests, and then I'm gonna add it back to the main branch, which I'm gonna release it in official updates. Um, so my takeaway from this, like some lessons I could learn from the past few days, is really I have to talk to users, because you don't know the most ridiculous question you can think of before you launch your product is nothing compared to the ones you already launched your product, and the customer give the feedback to you. Because, like, for example, the onboarding flow is not really clear, doesn't have a very clear instruction currently. So I've been getting a lot of requests saying that, okay, how can I get the free trial? I'm afraid of clicking the subscription button because then, looks frightened. Uh, they are afraid of putting uh, like putting their credit card and like before they get their free trial. Or sometimes they thought, okay, I got the free trial screen. It shows I got the 30-day free trial, but then I'm gonna skip it. But it turns out that the app is still not licensed, so I have to, this and that, this and that. So basically, I have to fix the onboarding flow, which I have never think of. So right now, I'm just gonna take a few days, not few days, but tomorrow I'm gonna fix the onboarding flow and release it to test it in Windows and also in Mac OS, because I don't want to make the same mistakes before, which is I built the package in Mac OS, and it turns out the Windows version doesn't run. So I have to build my Mac version in my MacBook, and build my Windows version in my Windows laptop, which is complex. So, but other than that, life is good. I'm gonna keep going. Right now Right now it's 11 p.m. I usually sleep like 2 a.m. So go to bed at 2 a.m. So I still have like few hours left. I'm gonna send more reply and send more DMs in the next couple hours, and I'll see. We'll just keep grinding. We're just gonna keep doing what I'm doing right now. Keep executing the strategy, because this is a numbers game. Right now it's just numbers game. So the key takeaway is, don't get frightened by the ones reject you in your DMs or in your reply, because when people reject you, that's a good signal. The worst one is people don't reply. They don't get back. They just ignore. The ones that's better than ignores is basically rejects you, saying, okay, I'm not gonna do this. Sorry about that. Which is good. Like, you should thankful for they even replying your sales message, because you're basically taking their money. Well, the good one is, I'm gonna try, I'm gonna check out, and they never sign up, which is alright, which is good, which is a somewhat like a 20% positive signal. And the best one is basically, they sign up, they pay. Pretty good. But it's a numbers game. You have to DM like 100 people, then on the in the end they're gonna be like a 3 or 5 people that's gonna actually sign up and use it. All right, take care, guys.